Alright, what's going on, guys? It's our 2021 Optic basketball retail one box break. Show the owner's list real quick. There is that. Here is our sealed box of Optic retail. Get this bad boy opened up. Alright, I'll give it another few minutes. Another minute or two. And then I'm going to get started with this break, guys. If anyone would like to buy those teams, do let me know. Some tough orders. Alright, guys, I'm going to get started in a second. Good luck. Alright. Starting off, we got a DeJounte Murray. Got Gordon Hayward. Rated rookie Daniel Aturu. And Theo Maledon. Purple rated rookie. Got him in the last break. Some decent cards. Got a Kevin Herter, Kevin Porter Jr. Got a Obi Toppin rated rookie. And a Express Lane Trae Young. Got a Michael Porter Jr., Ricky Rubio, Nick Richards, and a My House Devin Booker. JJ Redick, Seth Curry, Josh Green, and then a splash Devin Booker. Got a Julius Randle, Colin Sexton, Jaden McDaniels, and a purple Karis LeVert. Got a Marvin Bagley, Mike Conley. There we go. Got a LaMelo Ball. It's our first. And then a T- Jason Tatum. Love that insert. Brandon Clark, Landry Shamet, Tyler Bay, and a splash Devin Booker. Got a Kyle Lowry, PJ Tucker, Devin Vassell. Ooh, and a Desmond Bane. Silver. He's been doing pretty good lately. He's been helping out the Grizzlies. Got a Miles Bridges, Shea Gilgeous-Alexander, Skylar Mays, and a Jonas Valanciunas. Cam Reddish. He's been doing pretty good lately too. Jared Allen. Tyrese Maxey. And a express lane, Steve Nash. Yeah, I'm a fan of Maxey. Glad that he's getting more minutes finally. I mean, I know they're hurting without Ben a little bit, but I think sooner or later he'll be off that team, and they'll get another superstar to help him out. Got Harrison Barnes, Jonas Valanciunas, Terrell Terry, and a winner stays Ray Allen. Jesus Shuttlesworth. Got a Malcolm Brogdon, Pascal Siakam, Onyeka Okongwu, and another Steve Nash express lane. Got a Steph, Kevin Durant, Saban Lee, and a Norman Powell purple. Got a Josh Jackson, Ben Simmons, speaking of, Isaiah Stewart, and a Damian Lillard T-. Got a Brook Lopez, Andrew Wiggins, Peyton Pritchardson, and the My House Kawhi Leonard. Hope Kawhi comes back healthy. Never want to see an ACL injury, especially as important as he is on that Clippers team. Got a Bogdanovich, Blake Griffin. There we go. Got another Anthony Edwards. And a silver Mikal Bridges. Yeah, man, I did too. Got an Eric Paschal, Fred VanVleet, Cassius Stanley. Ooh, and a purple Denny Avila. sucks. Never the same. Yeah, you got that right. Definitely got that right. Alright, we got 3 packs left. Got a Jeremy Grant, Drew Holiday, RJ Hampton, and a silver My House, James Harden. Love RJ. Been following him since high school. Got a silver My House Harden. Alright, second to last pack, guys. Got a RJ Barrett, Davis Bertans, Theo Maledon, and a Giannis Air Defense. Go to focus. There we go. Alright, guys, last pack. Got a Joel Embiid, Zach LaVine, Avila, and winner stays purple. Ray Allen is going to be the last card of the break. All right, guys, go over a quick recap. Got a silver My House, James Harden. Got a RJ Hampton. Denny Avila, purple. Got a Anthony Edwards. Tyrese Maxey. Desmond Bane, silver. Got a LaMelo Ball, base. Obi Toppin, base. A purple Theo Maledon. Alright, guys, that's going to do it for this break. It's going to do it for today. We will be back tomorrow at night with Chronicles Draft. But other than that, hope everyone has a wonderful rest of their evenings. Thank you guys for tuning in. And everyone stay safe. I'll see you guys tomorrow.